Airport shuttle. Over the shuttle.
What are you doing?
Just checking your bag, sir.
So, Mr. Yamamoto,
Yes. Where is that trolley going?
to the airport.
The airport?
Well, no, the trolley's going outside to the shuttle bus. The shuttle's going to the airport.
But I'm just checking in.
That's right, sir. Do you have any bags?
They are going to the airport.
What?
The porter is putting my bags on the shuttle.
Carl, the bags go to Mr. Yamamoto's room.
What's going on?
His
My
bags are going to the airport.
Ah, well, I hope you had a pleasant stay.
This isn't happening.
Don't worry, I'm calling.
What's happening now?
Mr. Yamamoto's bags are on their way to the airport.
So?
I'm trying to get them back.
Why?
Our guest is just checking in.
Uh-oh.
Not without my bags.